Welcome to my channel. In today's math tutorial, we want to solve this Havard Entrance Examination question. Now, the first thing we do is to arrange the polynomial in standard form. So we're going to start with the highest power of m, which is negative m to the third power, then plus m squared, and we subtract 36 from both sides to give us minus 36 equals to 0. Then we multiply through by negative 1 to give m to the third power minus m squared plus 36 equals to 0. Now we are going to break 36 down into two numbers, one a square, one a cube, and this will make us have m to the third power minus m squared plus 27 plus 9 equals to 0. 27 is 3 cubed, while 9 is 3 squared. So we can rearrange to have the cubes together. M cubed plus 27 minus m squared plus 9 equals to 0. That is m cubed plus 3 cubed minus m squared plus 3 squared equals to 0. Now let us factor the negative sign from the last two terms on the left hand side. That's m cubed plus 3 cubed minus m squared minus 3 squared, and that's equal to 0. Then we make use of the fact that the sum of cubes, generally a cube plus b cube, can be factored as the product of a plus b and a squared minus ab plus b squared. While for the second parenthesis, that's a difference of two squares. When we have the square of a minus the square of b, it is a plus b times a minus b. So this we're going to apply to the parentheses to give us m plus 3 multiplying m squared minus 3m plus 9. That's how m cubed plus 3 cubed factored out. Then minus, for the difference of two squares, we have m plus 3 multiplying m minus 3. Now we can factor out m plus 3 from the two terms. M plus 3 times m squared minus 3m plus 9 minus m minus 3. This becomes m plus 3 multiplying m squared minus 3m plus 9 minus m plus 3. And that is m plus 3 multiplying m squared minus 3m minus m becomes minus 4m plus 12. That's the sum of 9 and 3. That's equal to 0. By the zero product property, m plus 3 equals to 0 in the first situation, and m squared minus 4m plus 12 equals to 0 as the second root. Now for the first root, when m plus 3 is 0, then m is negative 3. And this is the first solution. For the second solution, we have a quadratic equation, and there a is 1 using the quadratic formula, which is the coefficient of m squared. B is negative 4, and C is 12. The quadratic formula is m equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now applying the quadratic formula will give m equals to minus negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 12 over 2 times 1. And that is positive 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 48 over 2. That is, we have 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 32 over 2. This is 4 plus or minus 4i root 2 over 2. With 4 factored out from the numerator, we have 4 times 1 plus or minus I root 2 over 2, where 2 can go in 4 twice, to give us 2 times 1 plus or minus I root 2, or when opened up again, it is 2 plus or minus 2I root 2. So this means that the solution to the equation m squared minus m cubed equals to 36 are m equals to negative 3, m equals to 2 minus 2I root 2, and 2 plus 2I root 2. Thank you for watching this video. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so right now. Click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any updates from this channel.